Hello all, this is S.Vasuki from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video, our students are going to discuss about Design Thinking Framework on Healthcare Management System. So let's discuss about Healthcare Management System using Design Thinking Framework.
Hello everyone, now let's see about the problem statement. The problem is if we are in the medical shop, the pharmacist doesn't know about how many tablets are there in the pharmacy. So for this we have a solution which is regarding under the design thinking. So there are 5 pillars: empathy, define, ideate, prototype and evolve. So let's discuss about each and everything.
Hello everyone, let's discuss about the empathy. Empathy is the first crucial step in the design thinking process. It's like understanding the user's perspective and thoughts and putting ourselves in someone else's shoes to understand their perspective and thoughts. Let's empathize the pharmacist's problems. In the pharmacy, in a busy schedule, the pharmacist find hard and difficult to constantly checking on the stocks and about the materials and what are all he needs to purchase. So we can frame DBMS SQL table to the problem.
Okay, a problem statement is about a pharmacy counter management system based on DBMS. In pharmacy, there are a lot of problems like billing, stock management, and stock reducing problems. These are our problems we have. For that, using DBMS, we are going to create a table and we are going to store details of patients, products and stocks and everything. So they can be more proper in detail. If a stock clears, they may know that stock clears, you need to restock. And if something happened with that, we can clear those. If the counter person manually he does that, it will be too slow. He can't able to track those things as proper. So using DBMS, we can make sure that it can be done fast and easiest way.
Application of DBMS in pharmacy. Using DBMS, the SQL commands, they create the table that is including the medicine details and the patient detail registration and the prescriptions, all things. And if the medicine is not stock in this pharmacy, we can purchase it using the stock in a table, and it can store the patient details like this patient will buy this medicine in the date. You can give the details and the verifications for others.
So hello everyone, myself Sanjay, and for design thinking framework on the structure query language will be more helpful because nowadays we are not going to hospital to buy medicines. We are going to medical shops and we giving our queries and they will take our medicine. So we are blindly taking that medicine. We don't know what the medicine is useful for. So including design thinking in this structure query language will be more helpful. There are many applications like many softwares like MongoDB or MariaDB that are database management systems applications. So using that we can store the medicines and their values and their price. So medicines are vast. It is not about any two values or any two names. It's about vast number of medicines are there in the world. So for storing that, each having a metadata and each having each entity. So for storing them in the correct value, we need a structure query language. So there are many commands like DML and DDL that are data manipulation language and data query language. Many commands like creation, deleting and insertion. And we need a person who will enter this data, and they will management, and they are called DMA, database administrators. So they will management. They will administrate the data in that, and why we need this database means how many stocks are there, and we will the stock owners will manage how the medicines are there and how many values are there, and what kind of medicines and what use for that what use, and who's the last purchase that by the person buy. So that will be helpful for a pharmacy in design thinking.
So thank you students for discussing about design thinking framework and healthcare management system. Thank you.